Hi, my name is Rodney Morales. Vaccines perform Jedi mind tricks on your body. As a chemist, I love looking into ways to improve life. Through my research done at DeSales University on ways to improve medications, vaccines are next on my list to do research on. Vaccines are biological preparations for our body. As people of today, it is our mission to improve the quality of life, not only for ourselves, but for future generations to come. The benefits of vaccines are normally misunderstood, but they have been proven to save lives, stop exposures, and protect future generations. Vaccines have been around for more than 100 years, from the first one being created for smallpox to now having various types of vaccines to protect us from measles, polio, hepatitis A, and even the whooping cough, according to the Centers of Disease Control, or the CDC. These diseases once killed thousands of people, but now we are protected due to vaccines. According to Vaccinate Your Family organization, the CDC reports about 372 cases of measles in 2018 and 387 so far this year. This outbreak occurred due to the population being split between pro and anti-vaccination groups. In 1905, the U.S. Supreme Court case Jacobson versus Massachusetts led to the skyrocketing of the movement for states to pass the vaccine mandate. This requires parents to vaccinate their kids by law before entering school. This angered many parents and the public due to some vaccinations being forced by law and others by choice. As more parents started to opt out of vaccinating their kids, this is when outbreaks started to occur. The most recent outbreak is the mumps outbreak at Temple University. There's over 100 cases so far, according to the History of Vaccinations organization. This occurred due to many students not being vaccinated or others not keeping up with booster shots. Booster shots are like vaccines, but they're used to remind your immune system of what the disease looks like. Whether being vaccinated or not can make the difference when it comes to the spread or containment of these diseases. In order to contain these diseases, a large percentage of the population should be vaccinated. Many people are unsure about being vaccinated due to the exposure online of negative side effects. These side effects rarely occur, or people posing the individual rights standpoint. In some cases, people are unable to vaccinate due to being too young, allergic, or having other medical reasons. This is where the herd immunity comes in. The herd immunity is the idea that vaccines not only protect those who get vaccinated, but protect those who are unvaccinated. As this picture shows, the red spot is where one person who's infected, and all the blue are people who are unvaccinated. The disease spreads quicker than it did on this side, where the yellow shows people who have been vaccinated, the person in the middle is sick, and the disease only spreads to a couple people, not everyone. To better understand the herd immunity idea, a study was done in Bangladesh, according to the CDC. The study was done by Dr. Ali. Dr. Ali states that vaccines confer significant herd protection to neighboring non-vaccinated individuals. This means that the people who were given the vaccine to not only protected themselves, but protected people near them who weren't vaccinated. So the people who were protected directly, and then the people who didn't get vaccinated were protected indirectly. The herd immunity can be successful and help people who are vaccinated or not, and to possible generations to come. More benefits from being vaccinated is people who are being vaccinated now help eliminate these diseases for the future generations. According to the vaccine ProCon, the World Health Organization declares the global eradication of smallpox disease in 1980. This doesn't require people to get the smallpox vaccine because the disease doesn't exist anymore. Other diseases like this have been declared eradicated. For example, polio in 1974, the measles in 2016, but due to the rise of people being less vaccinated, it has made a comeback and outbreak since 2018. From these statistics, it is known that the containment, elimination, and eradication of these diseases are possible through the administration of vaccines. I hope everyone has learned the benefits of vaccinations. These benefits have helped save lives from infectious diseases, to stop exposures using the herd immunity, and protect future generations by eradicating diseases like smallpox and polio. When deciding whether to vaccinate, it all comes down to asking yourself which decision will grant safety, health, and overall happiness, not only for yourself, but for future generations to come.